Hi everybody, Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I'm going to show you some of the best performing stocks in Australia as of the 17th of October. Just an example here, and if you have the VectorVest system, you can go and do it as of your current date there. And if you want to take a trial of VectorVest and do it, then we strongly encourage you to do so. It's good fun. But let's go and show you how to find some of those top performing stocks on any given day. Now, just before we get going here, let's move myself out the way there. Please note our license numbers. There, and in addition, please note general advice only. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Forecasts and backtests used today, it's intended as a guide only, and those actual results may be affected by known or unknown risks and uncertainties, and therefore may differ materially from the results ultimately achieved. With that said, let's jump into VectorVest. So what I've got here in VectorVest, I've got this wonderful tool called UniSearch. And UniSearch is a search tool, as the name implies, and we've got all these different searches here. So I've clicked on this group here called high-low searches stocks. It's great to search here. These different searches here are very, very useful. And what I could do here, click on the first one, find me stocks that are hitting a new 100-day high. So stock here, hitting a new high over the last 100 days as of 17 October on the search. And straight away, I've got these stocks at my fingertips. I can go and graph them. I'm going to have a look here. These are hitting new highs over the last 100 odd days. So that would be what, just over 3 months worth there. So let's just put it there around about 4 months. Yep, certainly is. Wow, look how that's moving up. And so you can see all these stocks here. Wow, look at this Regis Resources. This is going gangbusters as of time recording here, 17 October. You're really empowered by having this at your fingertips in terms of knowing what's going on right now. Let's look a little bit further here. 10-day price high. All right, well, that was 100 days. What about over the last 10 days? And again, you can come in here and you can graph the first couple here and have a look. Over the last couple of days here, you can see these ones are breaking out. These are the ones recently breaking out in price. And scroll down a little bit further here. We've got 13 weeks. We've got 1 day. All right, we've got 200 day. I quite like 200 days because it shows me companies that are fairly consistent. It's not just a flash in the pan type trend, and you can see longer type sort of trends here. And that one here, Tower, really sort of jumps out as well in recent times, doesn't it? So all here at your fingertips, all these wonderfully powerful searches here, high-low searches done by VectorVest. Let me share with you something extra here. So if I graph on, say, the first one here, what drives that share price higher? This indicator here called EPS, earnings per share. It's a 12-month leading forecast in earnings, looks at historic, current, and then builds in the forecast component. And you can see here the correlation between earnings. As earnings lifts up, so does the share price. And incredibly useful when you see that pattern there. So you'll often find those companies hitting new highs are often companies driven by the engine room growth, that being earnings driving those share prices higher. Look at this big uplift in recent times, big uplift in the earnings again. So you'll see it time and time again playing out. If you want to find companies that are going to be in a position to break out to explosive new highs, you've got to make sure that you're finding companies with a powerful engine room. Pick on companies where the earnings are growing, and you're putting yourself in a very good position to identifying those companies. Now, VectorVest does it all there for you via this incredibly powerful search, and then you can overlay the earnings as well. Hope you got a lot out of this. Until next time, bye for now.